How to sort data by date in Google Sheets. First of all, select the data that you would like to sort. Once you do that, click on the option for data that you can see on the screen. Click on the option Sort Range. Click on the option Advanced Range Sorting Options. Once you do that, check on the box for data as header row. Make sure you've added date as the header. You can find the option for Sort By. Click on this field. Click on the option Date. If you want to sort the date from oldest to newest, simply click on the option A to Z. Otherwise, click on the option Z to A. Click on the option Sort that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here the data has been sorted according to the date. It is sorted in the ascending order. Like this, you can sort data by date in Google Sheets. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.